It is MAHI International's mission to increase the quality of life in the communities of Pohnpei, focusing specifically on healthcare and education development. Most of our resources and programs focus on these two areas. Throughout 2014, we have continued to stay committed to our work in the public schools, focusing on English education in 5 of Pohnpei's elementary schools. We are excited to report that over 90% of 8th graders we teach have improved their reading levels by 4 grades or more. Within our healthcare programs, the newest development is our partnership with the University of Utah Moran Eye Center. MAHI International has partnered with the Moran Eye Center to provide sustainable eye care to Pohnpei State and to the rest of the Federated States of Micronesia. Our goal is to provide specialty clinics and training for local physicians and nurses for the next 10 years. This involves not only specialty clinics, but also the training and continued education of personnel and donation of medical equipment. At the end of this 10-year term, we will ensure that the FSM has a sustainable eye care program that will function independently. We are currently looking to develop similar partnerships with other healthcare specialties that are needed here in the FSM. In 2014, MAHI International had 9 volunteer English instructors who have focused their efforts teaching English with the use of iPad computers. We have installed English and reading learning software in these iPads to improve student reading levels. MAHI International believes this new technology has engaged students, is a fantastic educational tool, and has made a tremendous difference in increasing their reading proficiency. An additional education program that began in the fall of 2014 places teachers in remote outer island elementary schools. Currently, we have 2 volunteer English instructors at the Sapwafik Elementary School. MAHI International provided the English program for its 5 adopted schools: Polangis, Sapolap, ESDM, Saukez, and Sapwafik Elementary School. Overall, we had 9 volunteer English teachers providing a total of 3,760 hours teaching English, 156 hours of healthy lifestyle education to 461 students. The overall cost to run these programs in 2014 was $56,230. MAHI International donated 300 school desks and 85 Hooked on Phonics programs. In addition to eye care and the FSM, MAHI International has provided other medical specialists to hold clinics in Pohnpei State. These include diabetes management, cardiac care, American Heart Association basic life support training, non-communicable disease screenings, and healthy lifestyle education. Due to the shortage of registered nurses at the Pohnpei State Hospital, MAHI International sponsored and provided an RN to volunteer at the hospital. Jeffrey Georges, RN, served for 8 months primarily in the emergency room, but floated also to the medical and surgical wards when needed. Overall, there were 5,864 total hours volunteered by 38 healthcare professionals in ophthalmology, diabetes, public health, and internal medicine, serving a total of 739 patients. The total cost of these donated services is $1.2 million. The following medical equipment was donated: 1 EKG, 1 pulse oximeter, 1 ENT exam light and wall mount unit, dental supplies, and ophthalmic pharmaceuticals. None of this would be possible without your generous contributions. From all of us at MAHI International, thank you for your support.